Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on bonfida. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that bonfida is about to hit the resistance of another quite long-term down channel and another triangle as well. By the way, at the same time, it is also moving inside a very big triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally the price has once again reached very close to this resistance of the channel. And also this resistance is also working as a resistance of a very big symmetrical triangle as well. If I remove all these trend lines, then it will be more visible for you. You can see that at the same time, it is also moving inside this very, very big and huge symmetrical triangle. And this is the down channel, by the way. You can see that at the same time, it is also moving inside this down channel. And recently, not recently, here in the month of October 2023, we also broke out a very, very huge falling wedge pattern as well. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for bonfida that I shared on 11th of November 2024 with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for bonfida that I shared on 11th of November 2024. And that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal crab move that bonfida was completing on a 30-minute time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup, a buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price then dropped down and into the buying zone here, then we had a very, very nice reversal and read the sell target zone. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of FIDA, and this is a weekly time frame chart. In here, you can see that for the past several months, since after the month of March 2022, FIDA is moving inside this very big and long-term symmetrical triangle. And from here, from the month of from 1st of January 2024, we found the support of a down channel as well. So at the same time, it is also moving inside this symmetrical triangle, and at the same time, it is also moving inside this down channel. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, almost had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, another bounce, rejection, and this is another touch point here. You can see that in the previous week, the pricing is rejected, but still moving very close to the resistance of this triangle and this channel and trying to break it out. At the same time, it is also trying to break out this long-term resistance of 35 cents that was previously working as a support here for several months. And before that, for several months, it had been working as a support here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance for the price line of FIDA. And in case of another rejection by the resistance of the channel, it can drop down here at the support of the triangle at 21.5 cents. Over there, we have a quite long-term support of 21.5 cents as well. And at the same time, at the same level, we will have this uptrend line support of this triangle. You can see that this 21.5 cents has been previously working as a support here and support here, resistance here, support here, and support here. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support. And in case of breaking down these two support levels, pricing can again drop down at the support of the channel, approximately at 12.6 cents. And in case of breaking out the target to the upside, first, the pricing can hit the target for the breakout from the channel that will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 70 cents. And there we have another quite long-term resistance. This 70 cents was previously working as a resistance here and almost as a resistance here as well. And the target for the breakout from this triangle, the conservative target will be, as per this measurement, can be here. That will be approximately at $5.47. And now if we take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.